am very excited today for this inaugural event. It's STEM Workshop. We are highlighting the Shipyard and 433 Fort Smith students. The goal of this workshop today is to get our fifth grade students introduced to STEM activities and STEM careers that can lead them into the shipyard or either other careers. They're going to be with Shipyard doing some cool robots. They're going to get to go out on a Coast Guard boat and be able to experience all the neat things that takes place out in the water. That's just some of the events that they're going to have. Again, just really excited to see these children light up as they experience all the wonderful things that they're going to see today.